So this is our footwear application from the IM Footwear project, where we work together with industrial leaders to showcase basically a great application which everyone can easily relate to, which is a shoe. So together in the consortium we work with Arkema, who provided the Pebax material, with EOS, with Siemens, with Twicket, and Framas, who basically did the merging of the shoe. So the part from Dimension in this consortium was to bring the end value to the midsole, and that we did together with our print-to-product workflow. In the PowerShot C, we cleaned the material from its excess powder. Then in the PowerFuse, we vapor fused the midsole, and afterwards we colored it in our DM60 and golden yellow. And now it's end user ready, and it can be worn by customers.